Hello, this is Parag Patel from Patel Law Offices, today talking about the Delinquent International Information Return Submission Procedure Program. This is on the IRS website. I refer to as DIIRSP, or more affectionately DIIRSP. This is a good solution, frankly, I think, for a lot of clients. Specifically, this applies to what do I do if I have a delinquent international information return? Taxpayers who have identified the need to file these delinquent forms and they're not under exam, which basically means an audit or being investigated, they can file the delinquent forms through normal procedures. So what that means is that you're filing, for example, let's just say you have not filed a form 8938. You're going to file a amended income tax return form 1040X. You're going to attach the 8938. You need to explain why you failed to file, which is what you have to be very careful about. I'd strongly recommend you get competent legal advice from someone qualified and experienced in this area. But I recommend that you take a look at this. This might be an option for you. Nonetheless, be warned that the IRS says that even then, you still may be assessed penalties, specifically with Form 3520s, which deals with foreign trusts or foreign gifts. The taxpayer may attach reasonable cause statement, which is what I was mentioning to you. You really have to do persuasive, compelling legal analysis, but I think it's a good idea to do that. You have to be persuasive, use legal authorities, legal rules, maybe some case law to explain why you have reasonable cause for failing to file the information return. And the IRS does still warn that even then, penalties may be asserted during the processing of the return. They may be assessed, and it may be necessary to respond to specific correspondence and resubmit. So I think this is just unfortunately, the bureaucracy of the IRS, and they're basically telling you that the initial intake may assess a penalty. You might need to resubmit. They're telling you that up front. But this is a program, as I said initially. We've helped many clients. I've probably done this for clients about 100 times. I think it works for many clients. But again, you have to make sure that you're suitable. You're a good candidate for this program. But if you are, I'd strongly recommend it. There's a fairly high success rate for appropriate clients. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to schedule a free strategy session with you to discuss your situation. Every situation is different, and I strongly recommend, particularly in this area of tax law, that you get competent legal advice, so that way you know exactly what your options are, and that way you get the right guidance. So again, feel free to contact us. We're here for you. Thank you.